Today I'm going to show you how to use my Canva templates. In Canva, when you get the download from the store, you're going to unzip your Canva file and click on the PDF here. These are my Simple and Sweet Travel Album 4x8 Canva templates. So this is what it will look like. And you're going to just click here. And that will take you to Canva. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Edit Template. And it'll show up here in your Canva. So if you do not have a Canva account, you'll just have to create a free one. So as you can see, all of the templates are here in one folder. So I'm going to show you really quick how to kind of use this. So you're going to go to Uploads, and this is where you can upload photos and things like that. Show you what I'm doing here. So you upload those, they'll show up over here. And you can just take your photos and drag them, and they'll go into the photo spot. So you can double click them and move them around, resize them, whatever might look good in that photo spot. And just double click again, and it fits right to that clipping mask. Okay, like that. I'll add one more. Actually, let me show you what it might be like to add a digital element or paper. So I'm going to go into my kits. I'm just going to upload a paper for fun. That one looks kind of fun. I might I'll go ahead and upload some more stuff while I'm at it. Some little fun elements here. So you can just upload anything you might want to use on your page. And then you see papers can clip to that as well. And then if I wanted to, I could add some elements. I just click on that. I can click or drag. I can resize it. Now here you see how it's clipping to my little photo spot. To stop that from happening, if you hit down the control button, then you can drag it around and place it wherever you want. Oh, maybe I'll place it right there in place of my circle. Oops. Control Z works to undo. So I just did that. Now I think I'm going to delete this little element placement. And put my little, don't want to do that. Control Z and put my fish right here. Remember that control button. Now, if I wanted to, I could add a drop shadow and just go to the edit button. There's a couple ways to do that. You can go down here to drop shadow, and you'll see that there. You can play around with it here, depending on what angle you want, what distance. And I might later on do a more detailed tutorial showing how to do that. But that's how you do that there. Now, the only thing different with these templates is this is not a clipping mask here. So if I try to drag or it is a clipping mask, it just takes the shape of a rectangle. So that doesn't work, as you can see. So I'm gonna hit Control Z to undo that. So this is a cool thing. I could go through my digital kits and find a tag and just delete this one and place that one there as an element, just like I did my fish. And also search in Canva, go to go to elements and just search tags. And you can be as detailed as you want. And I see this tag here. I think this one looks kind of cool, so I could add that one there. Remember, hold down the control button. Now I can resize it. I can turn it. Now, what I want to do is probably put it in that same spot. So there's a few ways I can move layers. So I can go to layers here and send backward. That's one way to do it. Another cool way to do this is to go to position up here, go to layers, and here you'll see all the layers here, so you can rearrange as needed. And then you can do things here. I'm just going to delete that layer. If I wanted to add a drop layer there, I could go down here, add my drop layer, double click this, edit it to what I like. Also, you can just edit your title here. You can change your font, change the size. Same goes here. Edit your text there. If you want to, in some of these element placements, you could just replace the color. So just click color. I could just find something that matches my page. That's a way to do that as well. Okay, so now let's say you're done with your page. How do you save it? How do you print it? What do you do? So here you're going to go down to share, and this is where you're going to download your page. So now you notice all of my templates are here in one folder, pages 1 through 20. I can click on this and just download page 1. And you can click here and figure out the best way you want to download that.